Hi guys, this is a collab with my friend Breeze with Africa, and we're going to be doing a spring cleaning motivation video. If you guys need some motivation, check out our channels. When you get finished watching my video, go check out her video. And if you're coming from Africa's channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Ivy. I do cooking, cleaning, hauls, all sorts of different kind of videos, and I keep kids during the day, so that's why you'll see toys and kids in my videos. On Africa's channel you will see DIYs, cooking, she does lives, she does cleaning, all that good stuff. So you guys go check her out. I'm sure you're gonna love her channel like I love her channel. So I will talk to you guys here and there throughout this video. So today I wasn't supposed to work and I got a surprise. So I'm cleaning up the dishes from the end of the day. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just putting away some dishes from the dish drain because with the kids being here, we're using the dishwasher more. So I'm hand washing more dishes. So that's what I'm doing right here. spraying the counters with the Clorox cleaning spray. Just wiping down the counters and wiping down this stuff over here. I'm putting away this dish drain, which I'm probably going to end up taking back down, but putting it up for now. And so I had to clean my microwave again. So I'm cleaning my microwave again. The toys because the kids had just left, and I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and film a video since I have to clean anyway. So I'm just putting the toys away because, like I said, today I was supposed to be off. They weren't supposed to be coming, but Miss Ivy to the rescue. So I'm just cleaning up the toys at the end of the day, closing out my daycare day. the end of this video. I didn't have a lot to do today, but I did have a few things that I needed to tidy up, because like I said, I was supposed to be off today, and so I didn't have any kids yesterday, so I did some cleaning yesterday, and I didn't have a lot to do today, but I just tidied up the living room. I hope this motivated you guys to get some things done you need to get done. And if you're coming from Africa's channel, again, I say thank you for coming over and subscribing, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.